it's time for the sport.
Dad, you really don't have to do the voice.
Ariarne Titmus has cooked a magnificent
Oh my God, Dad.
Mexican chicken with charred corn, salad and vegetables. Absolutely delicious. Oh, breaking news. Woman receives mysterious box in the mail.
How was your day at work?
Oh, as usual, absolutely flat out. A lot of news around today.
Yes, I bet you ate unhealthy at lunch then.
No, a sausage roll.
Real good option, Dad.
So what's in the mystery box?
Nutritious food, because remember, we're going to eat better during the week when we're busy.
Well, we're not going to have burger night anymore.
No, don't worry. They do burgers too.
You know what, when I was your age...
What, like 100 years ago?
No, I used to go shopping at the supermarket.
And when exactly am I going to have time to go to the supermarket? So we could have almond-crusted pork and roast veggie salad.
Almonds. I'd have chosen hazelnut.
Or we could have Mexican rice and halloumi bowl. Or I've already chosen and we're having Mexican chicken and charred corn salad with roasted veggies and chipotle yogurt.
Arnie, there's a lot of pressure on you. Are you sure this is going to taste all right?
Way better than your sausage roll.
In developing news, a father and daughter are going to cook a delicious meal. Experts say it's better than a sausage roll. Gee, this is a bit of a mess.
Hey, go away. Can you please stop eating that?
Suppose you want me to tell you my corny joke?
No.
Can I
You can't help.
have a bit of a practice?
No, you're a bit useless.
This looks
Wait,
in.
get your mitts off.
It's starting to smell good. Awesome.
Look at this.
Looks terrific, Arnie.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, hey?
OK, the moment of truth. Let's see what it tastes like.
First bite.
Oh, wow. That's really good.
It's pretty good.
And it's good for you.
One of your big priorities, Dad.
Oh, well, I'm always in training. I don't know what for yet, though, but this is going to help. Hey, when are you going to do the next order?
You want a new order, do you?
Yeah, I won't have a say in that.
And have your Friday night burger night.
Oh, I might have to drop the burger night because this is better than a burger. And now it's time for the sport.
Dad, you really don't have to do the voice.
Ariarne Titmus has cooked a magnificent Mexican chicken with